Are you feeling better today, Balooey?
Yes, I'm just allergic to dogs, but it settles down after a while.
Ha! That's what you think. I will never settle down. Don't tell Cleo.
What? No, never mind. Can you read another one of those devotions? I really like hearing them.
Most certainly I can read another one. Oh, you want me to read now? Devotion 23. Ruth had come home, and Naomi had asked her who she was. Ruth explained the situation to her, informing her that there was in fact a second relative, a nearer relative, who had the right to marry her if he chose to do so. At this point, Naomi knew what was going on in the heart of Boaz, and what would happen next. Ruth 3:18. Then said she, Sit still, my daughter, until thou know how the matter will fall, for the man will not be in rest until he have finished the thing this day. Naomi knew that Boaz would not wait a year, or a month, or a week, or even a couple of days to deal with this. She knew that he would not be in rest until he finished the thing this day. In other words, she knew that his highest priority was Ruth. Boaz was a wealthy and a very busy entrepreneur. He had 10,000 responsibilities and a million things to think of each day. And yet, Ruth was his absolute highest priority. She was the thing foremost in his mind. What a glorious picture of Christ and his love for us. To meditate every day on the fact that the God who holds the very universe together and has 10 trillion things to think of each moment of every day has you first and foremost on his mind. You are not an item on the list to him. He died for you. You are the list to him.
Whoa, that lesson makes me feel pretty important.
Well, I don't know about the pretty part, but you're right. We are important in God's eyes.
Wait, what? Ruff, you're confusing.
No, sir. I am Ruff L. Stilskin. I have never met confusing. Have a blessed day, friend.